The life of this world has three parts. It's like getting on a train, and you got 3 stops to make. So your ticket has 3 parts. When you start out, you're given a ticket. The ticket has 3 parts. So while you're in the womb of your mother with no consciousness at all, this is one part of your trip. And when you're born, you enter the world. So one part of the ticket is torn off and thrown away. You will never get that ticket again. No refunds. That ticket is gone. That part of the journey is over. You will not go back to the womb. It's a one-way trip. One ticket, one part of the ticket, gone. Then you're in the life from a child till you're an adolescent, teenager, young adult, mature adult, middle age, others among you, more than that, until we meet the grave, death and the grave. So when you die, the moment that you die, and all of you will die, another part of the trip is over. And that part of the ticket is torn off and is gone. You will not return back to this life.
At the moment of death, you see Malakal Maut. And you'll be like, oh my God, who is this coming to me? Who is this? Somebody stop this one. Wait a minute, no, you can't hear, you guys can't hear me anymore. Hello, hello, hello. But now your hands aren't moving. And he's coming. Nothing you can do. And when he takes the ruh from the body, the soul coming out, for the one who is evil, it is so excruciating. It's the worst imaginable pain in the world. The pain of being born is remembered by the mother. The pain of dying is remembered by the son. And what will you do? But for the one who was good, the one who obeyed Allah, believed in Allah, did Amal Salihat, for him it will be easy. No more than just like you get stuck with a pin. Easy.
So these are 2 totally different ways to end your life. There are many different ways to live your life. You can live your life however you want. To each his own, as they say. Eat, drink, and be merry. Enjoy it while you got it. You only live once. No. You only die once. You live forever. You die only once. So you can live your life however you want, but you will die one of 2 ways. And that decision is all in your hands. You can't blame anyone for that, except for yourselves.